Hi there! Want to test your skills and find out which questions you still need to work on? Here's how you can practice on Kahoot. Get feedback at the end, and repeat the questions you missed. First, find the Kahoot you wish to practice on. You can do this either on the Discover page or by choosing a Kahoot from your library. Tap View All to access all Kahoot self-study modes. From the options available, choose Test. As you play, you won't see right away if you got a question correct or not. Just keep answering until you finish all the questions. When you finish, you will see which answers were right and which ones you missed. You'll get a special list so you can see exactly what to work on. Want to get better? Tap Repeat Missed Questions and try just the ones you didn't answer correctly. This helps you learn faster.